What's up guys, DJ Johnny Flash with Party Time DJ Services. Today I'm going to be doing a product review for you guys. So I got something in the mail here from Amazon, and it's from the company Phenyx. Put that to the side for now. It's a 4-channel UHF wireless microphone system. It's the Phenyx PTU-5000. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Very nicely packaged. Phenyx Pro. So it comes in this box, has a carry handle. On the back, has some specifications, and I'll come a little closer so you guys can see it. System overview, the overall system, the frequency range, 530 to 580 megahertz. So that's great if you live in the United States, because they've actually just bought out the 600 megahertz range T-Mobile has. So we've all been put in a bind with that lately, because most of our systems have been working on the 600 megahertz frequency. So this is a 4-channel, and we're going to go ahead and open this up here. And we're going to do a product demo on it too. So this is an unboxing and a product demo. Very, very nicely packaged. Comes with a little card here. Like it, don't like it. And it says, thanks for choosing Phenyx Pro. And it's a startup based in San Francisco. It's awesome. It has all their contact information, website, Facebook, and Instagram. Has a manual, table of contents, operating instructions, what's on the front panel, and the contents. The back panel. It goes over the transmitter or the transmitters, depending on what you get. So you can have a handheld, or you can have body packs, or you can have both. This is the receiver. It's packaged very nicely. I'm going to put this over here for now. So the receiver itself, let's take a look at this. It's the Phenyx PTU-5000, power button, individual volume channels for 1 through 4, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. It has a digital display on here, and it has the volume knobs, as I mentioned, the digital display, and it's rack mountable. On the sides here, you can rack mount this. If you want to rack mount this, you can get a shallow depth rack mount case, and I believe it would fit perfectly in there. That's where you would put the antennas on the back, and it has all XLRs and a 1/4 inch output. So if you want to just run all 4 microphones off of one channel, you can do that by using the 1/4 inch out. Or if you want to do more professional use into individual channels, you can use XLR. So XLR 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you would plug it into the mixer board that you have on your Pro Audio system, and the power in button, so for your DC input. That's how that looks. Right off the bat, I can tell you about the antennas. They are 1/2 inch wave antennas. So we're going to be setting this up. Half wave inch antennas provide better reception, overall better results when transmitting any sort of signal, opposed to the 1/4 inch antennas. unit has a good feel to it. It's metal, which is great. Antennas flip up, so you can put them this way. This is the best case that you want to use them for, is at a 90-degree angle like that. So in the box, I'll show it to you guys here. Comes with 4 microphones. Comes with batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with 4 sets of batteries. Never complain about having too many batteries. So I'm going to set this box to the side. I'll leave the manual here in case we need to refer to it. And this here, so this is a 1/4 inch to a 1/8 inch cord here, but the 1/8 inch looks like it's an adapter, so that's like a typical headphone jack. If you take it off, it's 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch. And the power. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on and do a test. And bear with me here as I get situated. So if we have to, we will refer to the manual. So right off the bat, this is definitely very well built. It's a metal microphone, has a good solid feel. It's nice and heavy, and has a digital display here in the front. So we're going to go ahead and plug in 2 batteries. This is very useful for any event where you need multiple people talking on the microphone. So in a church, if you're going to be doing some singing, karaokeing, anything of that sort. So on the bottom here, I can see the power button. That's pretty standard. I think Sennheiser has that as well in terms of their power button. So that's how you turn it on. Turn it on. It shows the channel, which is channel 3, and it shows the wireless signal and the frequency that is on. Hopefully you guys can see that. So right off the bat, I already know this is going to be channel 3. Back here, let me plug it into my Behringer speaker, which has a 1/4 inch input. You plug it in, you want to make sure your volume is turned all the way down before performing any test. Plug in the power button, and this is going to be channel 3, so I'm going to go ahead and turn down volume 3. I'm going to power this thing on. On here you'll see channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has the frequency set on there. So they're all within the 500 megahertz frequency range. So channel 3 is set at 561.80, or 561.60. I'm going to leave this forward here. So I'm going to bring my volume up on the mixer, bring my volume up on channel 3. Let's see where we're at. I'm going to bring it up about halfway. I'm going to control it from the mixer on the back of the speaker. Flip this on. 1, 2, 1, 2. And so right off the bat, without actually having to program anything or anything like that, it works perfectly. So I'm going to go and control the volume. It sounds good. It's very clear. I'm going to walk around studio here. So I'm about 20 feet away, 25 feet away. As you can see, it's very clear. I'm going to show you guys this here. Hopefully you guys can see that. But as I was mentioning before, it's the wireless signal, the frequency, and the channel. Check 1, 2, test 1, 2. So this would be definitely useful in any situation where you need multiple microphones. So you can actually mix these up as well. If you wanted to use 2 handhelds, 2 body packs, the body packs can be used for a lavalier or a headset, or even an instrument. You can use this during a ceremony. If you want to have the officiant set up with a lapel or a handheld, you want to set up the bride and groom as well, you can do that. Or if somebody's going to be reading a prayer, you can have a second microphone to the side so they can say the prayer, or a special speech on the side. Or if you use this at a wedding, you can give one to the best man, the father of the bride, the maid of honor. That's 3 people, and whoever else wants to say the speech as well, or whoever else has anything else to say. And all these microphones here dial up to the individual channels that are located on the receiver. So far, I mean, this is great. This can be used in any situation, like I said, with anybody that needs more than 1 microphone, which is most of the time. So that's it. This is the Phenyx Pro PTU-5000. This is a UHF receiver. It's with the diverse antennas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I definitely recommend it. Anybody that needs a wireless microphone, this is a great company, and so far they've been producing really, really good stuff. Thank you for watching.